How to extend a video in CapCut. So first you want to open up your project and import your video. Now you want to place your video in the timeline, and to extend it, for example, you want to move to the last part of the video and then select it. Now with your video selected, you want to hover over the top here and click on freeze, and that should basically create one frame of the video at the end of it, which is basically the last frame. And then you can extend it however you like to keep playing that last frame. What you can do as well to extend the video, if your video could be replayed or could be looped, you can basically copy that part of the video and then place it next to that frozen frame. And what you can do is some sort of blending between the first and the end of the frozen frame. And a simple way to do that is basically place your frozen frame on the top here, and then place the repeated video part on top of it, so that it creates 3 layers in the timeline. And what you can do is select the frozen frame right here, and in the properties of the video tab right here, you want to look for the blend option and then expand it, and you should find opacity right here. So at the beginning you want to mark it 100, and then as you go through here, at the beginning it gotta be a low value, such as for example, let's place it at 10%, and then as you go through it goes to 100% in the middle of the frozen frame, and then as it gets to the other video it starts fading out. So for example right here 60, and then as the other video begins you want to basically get it to 0, so you can place it at 0. Now if you play from here, if you press play, you should find that it's blending between the two videos, and that extends your video so that it plays 2 parts, and this one blends between the 2 parts. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll see you on the next one.